Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and if you're watching this video, then there's a good chance that you are interested in either starting a local agency or you already have a local agency and you're just looking for a way to be able to generate more clients and more customers for your local clients, okay? Or maybe you just have one or two clients and you're looking to expand your local agency. And in this video, I'm going to give you just a few tips and kind of a bit of a mindset shift to help you to go out there and really help local businesses get more sales and more and generate more business for their business, pretty much, okay? Because when it comes to running a local agency, and trust me, I did it for 2 years here in the local Miami area, the typical route is to go out there and sell your services to local businesses to generate them more customers, okay? And typically you're gonna be selling SEO services, web design services, or web redesign services, reputation management services, or Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, whatever it may be. You are looking to sell your services to these local businesses to attract new customers to their business, okay? And that's totally fine, and of course that has been working since the beginning of the internet era. But in this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about how you can just do a simple mindset shift and help these local businesses instantly with one of the easiest ways that you can generate new customers, new business for them, okay? And that's going back to the old adage that says it's easier to make a repeat sale than to make a new sale, okay? So when it comes to approaching local businesses, the first thing that I would recommend you do is to find out what their existing customer base looks like, okay? And you'd be surprised how many local businesses are out there just sitting on these massive databases of existing customers or customers that have bought one or two of their products or services in the past, and they haven't tried to repeat that sale with those existing customers, okay? And with our new platform, Sendiio, it allows you to easily tap into those local businesses' databases and create an insane amount of new business for them from those previous customers, okay? And the reason for that is because Sendiio allows you to tap into the 3 most profitable marketing channels that is known to marketing, pretty much, okay? Which is email, text, and Facebook Messenger, okay? Now, for example, let's say that you walk into a pizza parlor and you're looking to pitch them on running a marketing campaign for them. Okay, instead of going out there and trying to generate new customers to walk into their business over the weekend or whatever it may be, why don't you tap into their existing database, okay? Can you imagine how big the database of a pizza parlor is, okay? And there's a good chance they not only have the name, phone number, email address, but probably even physical address of their home. I mean, they need to if that person ordered delivery. But as an example, let's say they have thousands of phone numbers in their database, okay? It takes literally 10 minutes for you to walk in there and be like, look, instead of going out there and trying to get new customers to come into the door, why don't we tap into your existing database and run a campaign, a text message campaign to those existing customers that you have right now. And you can easily offer a coupon for the weekend. You can offer, free drinks or a discount, whatever it may be, and you can run a very profitable text message campaign to those customers. Or you can even do an email campaign. All right, same thing. You can send out an email to those customers offering them to come in and they get buy one get one free or whatever it may be. You can tap into those existing customers, okay? And the good thing is that with Sendiio, we allow you to create, at least if you're here during our 2.0 grand opening, we're going to be giving you our agency license, but not only our agency license, but our grouping feature as a bonus as well, which allows you to create separate subgroups within your account for your different clients. So if you sign up a pizza parlor and you're gonna run a text message campaign or an email campaign, you can create a new group inside of your Sendiio account exclusively for that pizza parlor, upload all of their existing database and run their campaign exclusively in that group. So there isn't going to be any accidental crossover of promoting the wrong list to the wrong campaign, everything is going to be nicely organized under your agency groups, okay? And you'll even be able to give access to your local clients so that they can see the campaigns that you're running for them, all right? So that's just one example, being able to go into a pizza parlor, tap into their existing database and run a weekend special, or you can even do that every single month or once a week, or however it is that you offer your services to that company, okay? Another thing, you can do this for so many different types of businesses. Like I said, pizza parlors, pretty much any restaurant, okay? Chinese restaurants that also have a giant database. Gym memberships, okay? Right now we're at the beginning of the year, and obviously all gym and health and fitness companies are going crazy with their advertising, trying to attract new customers. But many of them are forgetting that they have that giant database of previous inactive gym memberships that they can tap into and offer a discount or even a free month to those previous customers. And there's a good chance, same thing, they collect all your information when you sign up for a gym membership: name, email, address, phone number, everything. Run a reactivation campaign for those different businesses, okay? You can do the same thing with salon parlors or chiropractors or whatever it may be. Just get creative and think of those different businesses that have existing databases that you can upload into Sendiio and create a new agency group for those different clients and run those campaigns to previous customers, because like I said, it's always easier to make a repeat sale than to make a new sale. And Sendiio allows you to do that very, very easily, because again, it allows you to tap into the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger. But not just that, if you get in during our 2.0 grand opening, then you are also going to be getting our ringless voicemail drops feature, which you can also do with the example that I just shared. You can send out a massive ringless voicemail campaign to these different phone numbers that are built into your clients' databases. But not only that, you can also be doing Twitter automation as well with our 2.0 grand opening, okay? So if you're watching this video, hopefully you got some value from it. Make sure you check out our 2.0 grand opening right below this video. You'll also be able to learn about the other bonuses that we're offering during this special 2.0 grand opening, and on top of that, a very special discount during this 2.0 grand opening. So thank you guys for watching this video, and remember, just get creative, go out there, and instead of trying to get new customers into your clients' doors, tap into their existing database and run campaigns to those people, because it'll be a lot easier to make those sales than to make new sales, okay? So again, thank you guys for watching. Check out our 2.0 offer, and we look forward to seeing you inside of Sendiio.